she always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away and you always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. You some niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight for your right. Cause you don't love them boys, pussy run they think, fuck that.
Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. Today I'm going to be doing this dramatic Valentine's Day look. If you want the look, continue watching. First, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, support a sister. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the look. And also, if you want this hairstyle, whatever, make sure that you check out my last video. I recorded that for you guys, 2-in-1. You can get the look in the hair, and comment below yay or no, nay. Like it or you don't like it, it's cute, it's not cute, whatever. Comment below in the comments and let's have a party in the comments.
A party over here.
Now I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get right into the video. You can see my eyes are already primed. I used my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and Cafe to conceal my eyes, and then I set it with my Airspun Translucent Powder. But now I'm using that bubblegum pink shade. I'm just going to blend it all over my crease. Going into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to take that hot pink shade and put it right under that bubblegum pink shade in my crease, so just to darken it a little bit. Going into my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to go into that hot red shade called Fire, and I'm going to put that right on top of the hot pink shade out of the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to pack this on a lot because I really want this hot red shade to show. Using this e.L.F. blending brush, I'm just blending the edges, and then I'm going in with my concealer now, and I'm going to cut the crease. Back into that bubblegum pink shade, you want to pat that onto your eyes, right on top of the concealer that you just used to cut your crease. So using the NYX glitter primer, I'm going to apply that on my lid, and you can use whatever you use to apply glitter, but I'm using the NYX glitter primer because it is the best, and you should cop it if you don't have it. But I'm doing a pattern, and I'm starting off with pink, and then I'm going to go with my red, and pink, red. I was kind of creative with this look. You can do whatever fits you. You can use only pink or only red or whatever you like, but I want to be creative and do something different. So while applying the glitter, I did my wing just so I can know where to stop. And I'm using the E.L.F. liner to do the wing, and then I'm going to finish off with the glitter. Baby skin primer, so bomb. My skin is so smooth when I put it on. Love this. Then I'm gonna go in my NYX Illuminator Sun Goddess, because it's bomb. Tear. And then I'm gonna go with my Fit Me foundation in Deep Golden. I don't know if this is my shade or not. This is my first time trying this foundation. I know I'm late, but it's whatever. I think I got it right on point, and I didn't even test try this. take my little disposable sponge, got this in. Do y'all see that? I am freaking beautiful. Going in my Fit Me concealer in Cafe. These are bomb concealers. If you are a beginner and you need a blendable concealer that's easy to blend, this is it. This is in Cafe. And I'm gonna clean up this mess I made over here. Back into my blendy smash. So I know I'm looking like a ghost right now, but we're about to contour and fix it all up. So I'm going into my Black Radiance Cream Contour Kit. And of course I'm going into the darkest shade. I know it look nasty. I actually need a new one, but we're gonna work with it today. I'm just gonna blend all this in. As I'm blending it, I'm bringing it towards the concealer. Okay, this one, I kind of put too much on my nose, so we're going to have to clean that out. And then I'm going to go in my Airspun Translucent Powder, and I'm going to set my concealer. And now set my contour. I got powder all on me. Set me contour. Set me contour. Set me contour. Set me contour. And going into my sculpting shade, I'm going to dust off this powder. We're almost there. Going into this pink, I'm going to put some blush on. Going back into this, I'm gonna go into that pink shade we used on my eyes, and I'm gonna put it under my eye. I'm going into this black gel liner, and I'm gonna put it on my waterline. Then I'm going to my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. I'm gonna go into After Party and put it in my inner corner. After Party. We in the After Party. I love this color. Go into Fire again and put that under my eye, right under the pink. Ruby Kiss highlight and Bronze Glow. Glow. lip liner, brown lip liner. And this is Color Rush in the shade, it rubbed off, but it's like a color crayon. And some gloss. So I just put on my lashes. Ooh, I knew I was missing something, but I didn't know what it was. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on some mascara so we can, you know, get this look complete.